Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The SLK Halo pickleball paddles are high-performance paddles designed to offer superior spin, power, and consistency on the court. Available in two models, Halo Pro and Halo Control, these paddles cater to different playstyles while maintaining the core features that define the SLK Halo series. Both models feature a carbon fiber surface, which enhances durability and provides exceptional spin potential for advanced players. The RevCore Power polymer core delivers a balanced combination of power and control, making it suitable for players seeking precision in their shots while maintaining ample power when needed. The core's responsiveness allows for excellent ball feel and control, improving the overall gameplay experience. The Halo Pro model focuses on maximizing power and spin, making it an excellent choice for players who rely on aggressive shots and spin-heavy strategies. In contrast, the Halo Control model emphasizes control and touch, offering better accuracy and finesse for players who prioritize placement and consistency over raw power. The paddles are designed for ultimate comfort and performance, with a lightweight structure that reduces fatigue during long games. The ergonomic grip ensures a secure hold, improving control and reducing wrist strain. The paddle's responsive design allows for quick reaction times and improved maneuverability on both offense and defense. Overall, the SLK Halo pickleball paddles are an excellent choice for players looking to enhance their game with a paddle that balances spin, control, and power. Whether you're looking for aggressive play or precision, these paddles offer the versatility and performance needed to elevate your pickleball experience. Number 2. The Pickleball Paddle Set with USAPA approval is a high-quality pickleball set designed for players of all skill levels, both men and women. Featuring fiberglass surface paddles, this set ensures durability, excellent performance, and a great playing experience on the court. The fiberglass surface offers a good balance of control and power, providing players with the ability to make both precise shots and powerful hits. This set typically includes two paddles and one or more pickleballs, making it ideal for doubles play or recreational use. The paddles are designed to be lightweight, allowing for quick movements and reduced fatigue during extended play sessions. The ergonomic grip ensures a comfortable hold, reducing strain and providing added control, especially during intense matches. The USAPA approval ensures the paddles meet official tournament standards, making them suitable for competitive play. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, the set offers reliable performance for practicing and competing in the sport. The design is also balanced for both men and women, offering versatility for a wide range of players. The paddles are built to withstand outdoor and indoor play, providing long-lasting quality. Their durability ensures they remain functional and effective over time, even with frequent use. Overall, the Pickleball Paddle Set with USAPA-approved fiberglass surfaces is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enjoy pickleball at home or in a competitive environment. With great performance, comfort, and reliability, this set is perfect for those seeking to elevate their game, whether casually or in more serious play. Number 3. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers everything you need to get started with pickleball or upgrade your current gear. This bundle includes two paddles, three pickleballs, and one carrying bag, making it a comprehensive package for both beginners and intermediate players. The paddles feature a G4 graphite face, which enhances the durability and performance of each shot. Graphite provides a smooth and responsive surface, allowing players to achieve a good balance of control and power. The paddles are also equipped with the polymer RevCore, a special core material that delivers exceptional ball feel and consistency. This core enhances the overall performance, providing solid control while maintaining sufficient power for aggressive shots. Designed for players of all skill levels, the Selkirk SLK Latitude paddles are lightweight, ensuring easy maneuverability and reduced fatigue during extended play sessions. The ergonomic grip offers comfort, allowing for a secure and relaxed hold, which contributes to better control and precision on the court. The bundle also includes three pickleballs, ideal for both indoor and outdoor play, and a practical carrying bag for easy storage and transportation of your gear. The bag helps keep everything organized and ready for use, whether you're heading to the court or storing your equipment after a match. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, all-in-one set that combines performance, convenience, and durability. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade, this bundle offers the perfect combination of features to enhance your pickleball experience. Number 4. The Onx Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddles are designed for players seeking a high-performance paddle that combines graphite and carbon fiber for superior power, control, and durability. These paddles are well-suited for both competitive and recreational play, offering an excellent balance of precision and power. The graphite face provides a smooth, responsive surface that enhances ball control and allows for better accuracy in placement. The carbon fiber construction adds strength and stability, ensuring that the paddle can withstand intense use while maintaining a lightweight feel. This combination ensures optimal performance, whether you're making quick volleys or powerful smashes. The cushion comfort grip is another standout feature of the Onix Mod Z5 paddles. Designed for long-lasting comfort, it reduces hand fatigue and provides a secure, ergonomic hold, even during extended play sessions. This grip enhances overall comfort, allowing players to maintain a consistent performance throughout the game. The paddle's large sweet spot offers more forgiveness on off-center hits, helping to reduce mishits and offering consistent play. The quiet design also makes it a great option for those playing in noise-sensitive environments. The Onx Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddles are perfect for players looking for a blend of power, control, and comfort. The combination of the graphite face, carbon fiber construction, and ergonomic grip ensures that these paddles perform at a high level, making them a top choice for serious pickleball players. Whether you're looking to improve your game or compete at a higher level, these paddles offer the quality and performance you need. Number 5. The Jula Essentials Pickleball Paddles are an excellent choice for both beginners and intermediate players seeking a high-quality, affordable paddle. Featuring a reinforced fiberglass surface, these paddles deliver enhanced durability and a responsive hitting surface, offering a solid balance of power and control during play. The fiberglass construction helps players achieve greater spin and precision on shots, making it ideal for various playing styles. The paddles are equipped with a honeycomb polypropylene core, which provides a unique combination of lightweight design and exceptional ball control. This core material absorbs impact and reduces vibrations, improving comfort and reducing arm strain. The honeycomb structure also contributes to the paddle's powerful response, allowing players to generate strong shots without compromising on control. Weighing in at a comfortable range, the Jula Essentials pickleball paddles offer maneuverability and responsiveness, making them suitable for fast-paced games as well as more controlled rallies. The paddle's ergonomic grip enhances comfort during extended play sessions, reducing hand fatigue and allowing for a secure, controlled hold on the paddle. Designed to be versatile and reliable, these paddles are great for indoor and outdoor play, providing excellent performance on a variety of court surfaces. Their affordable price point makes them a great option for recreational players or those just starting out, while still offering the quality and features needed for competitive play. Overall, the Jula Essentials pickleball paddles are an ideal choice for players looking for a well-rounded, high-performance paddle that delivers on power, control, and comfort. Their durability, lightweight design, and responsive core make them a great addition to any pickleball player's gear collection.